This is question 10 from the 2008 non-calculated paper. Quite a lot of marks for this one. Here we're asked to simplify 4p multiplied by 5q. That's going to give us 20pq. Part B, our answer here is going to be d to the power of 4. D multiplied by d multiplied by d multiplied by d, we can write as d to the power of 4. Next up, we've got expand 4 bracket 3a minus 7. So here we need to multiply the number or the quantity that is on the outside of the bracket by both of the things that are inside. So we're going to do 4 multiplied by 3a. That gives us 12a. Then we're going to do 4 multiplied by minus 7. That's going to give us minus 28. So our answer to question C would be 12a minus 28. We'd get 1 mark for each part of those in that question. Part D asks us to expand and simplify 2 bracket 2n plus 3 plus 3n 3 bracket n plus 1. So again we're going to expand the brackets first. So 2 multiplied by 2n and 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 2n, that's going to give us 4 lots of n. Then 2 lots of 3, that gives us 6. Then we're multiplying this by 3 multiplied by n, so it's plus 3 multiplied by n, that's going to give us 3n, and then plus 3 multiplied by plus 1, that's going to give us plus 3. Now we need to just simplify this now, so that means just to collect all of the like terms together. A nice way to do this is to break this down so we can see nice and clearly, putting our barriers in before the plus or minus signs. So we've got 4n and we've got a plus 3n. That's going to give us positive 7n. This is going to give us plus 6 plus 3. That's going to give us plus 9. Remember, we can't collect all of these things together. We can't combine any unknowns with just your numbers. They have to stay separate. Next up, we've got simplify t multiplied by t squared. So what we can think of is this is the same as t to the power of 1. So t to the power of 1 multiplied by t to the power of 2. Remember that when we do this we simply add the powers together, and that's t cubed. Another way to think about this is what we could say that this is, it's t multiplied by t squared, or t squared we could write as t multiplied by t, and then we can see quite clearly that that is going to be t cubed. T times t times t. Last part, part F, m to the power of 5 divided by m to the power of 3. That's going to give us m to the power of 2. When we divide, we simply subtract the powers. So 5 minus 3 gives us 2. So m to the power of 2. Okay, if you got any of those incorrect, there are 4 practice questions here for you to have a go at. So pause the video now, attempt the questions, and then watch for the solutions. So let's go through this. We've got 3 multiplied by 2x. That's going to give us 6x. Then we've got 3 multiplied by the 5, by the positive 5. So 3 times positive 5, that's going to give us plus 15. So our answer to that is going to be, expanding that, it's going to be 6x plus 15. Next one, we've got expand and simplify. So again, we're going to expand first. 2 multiplied by 3x, that's going to give us 6x. Then we've got 2 multiplied by 4, that's going to give us plus 8. Then we've got plus 3 multiplied by 2x, that's going to give us plus 6x. And then plus 3 multiplied by negative 8, that's going to give us a negative answer of minus 24. So plus 3 times by minus 8 is going to give us minus 24. So now we just need to collect these together. I like to put up little barriers, put the barriers in front of the plus or minus signs. Just helps you to see exactly what we're doing now. And to get full marks we need to simplify. So that means collect the like terms together. 6x plus 6x, that's going to give us 12x. And then we've got plus 8 minus 24. So plus 8 minus 24, that's going to give us minus 16. So our final answer would be 12x minus 16. Here we're asked to simplify x cubed multiplied by x to the power of 7. That's going to give us x to the power of 10. Simply add in the powers when we are multiplying. And then x to the power of 8 divided by x to the power of 2, that's going to give us x to the power of 6. If we're dividing, we simply subtract the powers.